let's talk about gamma function and its elementary properties. The definite integral of the form 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 dx is called the gamma function, and it is denoted by the gamma n. We read it as gamma n, means gamma n equals to e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 dx, where limit tends to 0 to infinity. The gamma function is also called as Eulerian integral of the second kind. The Eulerian integral of the first kind is your beta function. Okay, let's go through some elementary properties of gamma function. The first property is gamma of n plus 1 will be equals to n gamma n. Gamma of n will be equals to n minus 1 factorial, or you can say gamma of n plus 1 will be equals to n factorial, or gamma 1 will be equals to 1. Gamma 0 and gamma minus 1 n will be equals to infinity. Gamma n equals to 0 to infinity a to the power n e to the power minus ay y to the power n minus 1 dy. In another form, gamma n plus 1 can be written as limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus 1 to the power 1 upon n dy. And gamma n can also be written as limit 0 to 1 log 1 upon y n minus 1 dy. Please take care of these limits. In this case, we have limit from 0 to 1. Now, let's prove the first property of this gamma function, which is gamma n plus 1 equals to n factorial. Since we have gamma n plus 1 equals to n gamma n, that means gamma n will be equals to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1, and so on. It means gamma n plus 1 will be equals to n gamma n equals to n into n minus 1 gamma n minus 1, which will be equivalent to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n gamma n minus 2, and so on. It will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and 3 to gamma 1. As we know that gamma 1 equals to 1, that's why it will be n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 3 to 1, which is equivalent to n factorial. Hence, we have gamma n plus 1 equals to n factorial. Now, let's try to prove that gamma n plus 1 equals to n gamma n. We have gamma n equals to limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 dx. Now replace n by n plus 1. We have gamma n plus 1 will be equals to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n dx. Now integrate this integral with the help of integration by part by taking x to the power n as a first function or first part and e to the power minus x as a second part, because we need x to the power n minus 1 in our given answer, because as we know that if we integrate two function f1 f2 by parts, it will give us f1 integration of f2 dx minus integration of differentiation of first function d upon dx of this f1 into integration of this f2x dx this dx. With this formula, we have gamma n plus 1 will be equals to x minus x to the power n e to the power minus x, where limits are from 0 to infinity, plus 0 to infinity e to the power minus x n minus 1 dx. Now calculate the limit, this limit. it will be limit x tends to infinity x to the power n upon e to the power x. Now expand this e to the power x, we will have limit x tends to infinity x to the power n upon 1 plus x square by factorial 2 and so on, which will give us 1 upon infinity, and the result will be 0, means this first function will be equals to 0. Hence we have gamma n plus 1 equals to n into integration from where limit goes to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx, which is the definition of gamma n, means we have n gamma n. In similar fashion, we can also prove these three property of gamma function. This can be proven when we replace x equals to ay, that means dx equals to a dy in our original definition of gamma function. This second can be obtained by if we replace x to the power n equals to y, it will give us n x to the power n minus 1 dx equals to dy. For third property, we replace this x, just simply replace x by log 1 upon y. It will give us 1 upon y equals to e to the power x, that means y equals to e to the power minus x. That means when we differentiate it, it will give us dy equals to minus e to the power minus x dx. Substitute these in your given original definition of gamma function, we will easily have this value.